Welcome to this training module on supporting primary school children with profound specific learning disabilities. Children at this level have very limited functional academic skills, require maximum support, and depend heavily on multisensory learning, repetition, and alternative communication methods. This video will guide you through practical strategies that build participation, communication, and small, but meaningful learning gains. Children with profound SLD may show inability to recognize letters or numbers, minimal awareness of print, very limited attention span, difficulty understanding verbal instructions, very low working memory, difficulty holding pencils, tracing shapes or imitating strokes, high dependence on adult support, and slow learning despite repetition. Learning goals at this stage focus on sensory readiness, pre-academic foundational skills, communication using the simplest possible modes, and participation, not performance. For profound SLD, learning begins with strengthening attention, engagement, and sensory regulation. Strategies include short, predictable routines, sensory warm-ups like tactile play, texture cards, finger taps, matching activities with real objects, using lights, colors, sound cues to capture attention, and teaching waiting, turn-taking, and sitting in a small group. An example activity is object match, where a child matches a spoon to a spoon or a ball to a ball. At the profound level, we focus on pre-literacy and pre-numeracy. Pre-literacy strategies include matching picture to picture, matching object to picture, introducing environmental print like stop, exit, toilet, finger tracing simple lines or shapes, and looking at picture books and labeling a single item. Pre-numeracy strategies include sorting by color or size, matching one-to-one object to object, understanding one versus many, and using beads or counters for counting up to 3. An example activity is sort and say, where a child sorts objects by color while the teacher names them. Communication is a major focus for profound SLD. Strategies include using visuals, gestures, pictures, and objects to communicate, using text level 1 to 2, teaching simple functional words like eat, go, stop, more, help, providing consistent one-step instructions, and reinforcing all communication attempts, pointing, touching, or giving a picture. An example activity is choice board, where a child selects a snack or toy by pointing to a picture. Focus on participation, not correctness. Strategies include using high-contrast visuals, engaging the child in group calendar time by pointing to weather or the day, supporting tracing lines with hand-over-hand guidance, using assistive devices like thick crayons, textured markers, or stamps, providing large print, clutter-free worksheets, and allowing responses through pointing, tapping, or choosing, not writing. An example activity is weather of the day, where a child points to a sunny or cloudy picture. For profound SLD, home routines significantly support learning. Guide parents to practice simple sorting at home with fruits or toys, read picture books daily, use 1 to 2 word instructions, encourage pointing, gesturing, or picture use, and practice small daily routines like packing a bag or choosing clothes. Share a weekly home, school folder with visuals and structured activities. These students need maximum support and highly structured environments. Accommodations include one-to-one or small group instruction, a visual timetable with photos, first, then schedules, reduced distractions, sensory breaks every 10 to 15 minutes, hand-over-hand support when required, use of AAC, picture boards and gestures, and simplified tasks with clear start and end cues. An example activity is first, then board, where the child sees first tracing, then bubbles. Students with profound SLD need emotional security. Support them by using predictable routines, celebrating tiny successes, providing praise for effort, building peer inclusion with simple activities, teaching self-expression through choice boards, and avoiding pressure to perform academically. Remember, connection comes before learning. With consistent, structured, and sensory-rich support, children with profound SLD can participate meaningfully in learning. Thank you for your dedication to creating classrooms where every child is valued and included.